about to get it done. Go get us some flatties and some reds. Ain't that right, Tinsel? Trout. Right there. Right there. Yes, sir. You good? Yes, sir. Dude, non-stop, they're jumping, man. I think we should right here. What, the boat? Oh, heck yeah, dude. I've been standing here the whole time. Trying to catch them. Right. Here, you want to hold the... I can get it. Man, dude, it's looking good already, bro. He's on it. I'm gonna give him a minute. Imagine we double up. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a badass video. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a keeper. A little baby one. Nah, that might be a keeper, man. Oh. Nah, he's a little baby one. Appreciate it. Oh yeah. Show him to the camera, man. I've been showing mine to the camera. Oh yeah. Perfect hook set. Yeah. Perfect hook set. Yeah. Nice little flatty. Oh yeah. Got him? Yep, got him. I don't know. You don't feel like he's fighting that hard. He's swimming with me. He just shakes every now and again. But I doubt it's a keeper. Yeah. Where is he? Maybe. Yeah. Now I'm gonna give some slack. There we go. Appreciate it. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Second cast and hit it again. Missed it the first time. Man, this one's gonna be close. What was that? Whew, 14, bro. God. Man, if it was still 14, he would have done been a keeper. Here. They're stuck on the dang. Alright, I ain't gonna take him out the water. Man, this has to be a, oh yeah, this is a keeper. Yeah, that's a keeper. Yeah. He's so good. Woo! Damn, yeah. He ain't no beast, but he's a keeper though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And here we go. Yes, sir. Got her. Got him. Give me a good fight. I ain't gonna lie. Might be a keeper. Might not be a big one, but it might be a keeper.
Bring him this way. Come here, fishy.
Coming. Oh, got him. Oh, that one might be a keeper, man. Oh, come on, man. Let it be another flatty. This one might be a keeper, man. Hold on. I'm gonna let you go, man. Just calm down. Calm down, man. I'm gonna let you go. Don't worry about it. If you ain't 15. No, I said if you ain't 15, you ain't coming home. Only if. Yeah, the other one. Shh, another 14. Now if I could just hook them. Line, let it go.
Oh man, don't tell me I got your line. Oh, you ripped that.
All right. Let me stand. That's going on the YouTube video right there. Damn. Yeah, a little one. Yeah? Oh, this is a keeper. Yeah, this is a keeper, bro. Get the net. Oh, it's a freaking crab, bro. Dude, he's big old crab. Look at the size of that bad boy. Look at that. Yep. Got him. Nah. Little one. Yeah. I hooked him. Oh, damn. Okay, golly. Damn, boy's a fighter. Oh, bro.
Trout?
It looks like it.
Oh, let me get the net. You got the net on your side, man. The net's on your
I got
side,
you. I got
bro.
you. I'm bringing it on your side, this side.
Yeah. Bring him on down. I got it. Trout, bro.
Trout?
Trout.
Keeper?
It looks like it,
Yeah,
maybe.
it looks like a keeper.
And put it straight in the net.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo! It's a nice
Bring
one.
him on in.
That's a keeper,
Oh,
bro.
that's a keeper for sure. Don't lose him, man. Bring him on in.
Bro, that's a fat.
Oh!
Bro.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Look at that.
Nice.
Nice.
Damn, that's a good keeper right there.
Bro, he hit it like, man.
I saw the pole was like nearly.
Man, I had to catch it. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Let's see that. See that trout, man. That's a nice trout. Woo! That's a bad boy right there.
Oh, that's a good trout. Look at that, man.
Oh, yeah.
What you gonna say? Your predictions?
I don't know. 17, 18?
17, 18. I got it right here. About to find out.
Man, he almost yanked it, man. I had to grab the rod quick. He is 18.
18. Oh man, look at that, bro.
Speckled trout in the cooler. Nice. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, get him.
Yep.
Keeper.
It's another trout.
Woo. Another trout.
Oh no, flatty. Oh, I saw the white bottom, dude. I saw the white bottom. That's my bad. Oh, he got off. Woo, the boy took off like a torpedo. Little tater chip too.
Go bigger. Try the big chartreuse.
The all green one.
Yeah. Whichever big one's in there.
Yeah, it's a chartreuse.
I got hit a couple times. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that one's gonna get it.
Nah, it feels kind of maybe small. He might have came off. Oh no, I got him.
Looking like a fighter.
They got my drag kind of loose. Little baby. Ooh, pretty
he's
one.
Real nice.
Pretty little flounder. Come here, baby. Man, he had a little bitty fish that he spit up.
Yeah.
He's a little small. I'm gonna let him go. Oh yeah. He's gone. He went straight down to the bottom by the lure.
See what?
He went straight down to the bottom by the lure. What if he hits it again?
Man, I don't see your float, dude.
I'm looking for.
Yeah, I know, me too. Just before I say anything.
Yours was hesitant too. Whatever it is, I'm gonna let it get it, cause it's a mullet, so. I don't know, should I hook set him?
I don't know.
Something's
man.
messing with yours too.
Yeah. I did not see that float anywhere, bro. Ooh, got it?
I got it, bro. Ooh, bro, I got it. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but I got it. Oh yeah.
Like something good.
Oh yeah.
You need net or no?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a net for this one.
Got you.
I'm gonna bring it to you. You can stay over there, I'll bring it to you.
I'm just getting that ready.
Oh, that's a nice flatter, yeah.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Oh, bro, you. Come on. Get.
Oh, hold on. Oh!
Get.
Hold on.
Oh! Got him. Damn, that's a keeper for sure. That's keeps. On floaty?
On the float and the mullet, he hit it right on the
Check that bad boy out. He's gonna be 16, maybe pushing 17.
Yeah, I believe it. I believe so. Ooh. Dude. Swallowed that bad boy.
Uh-huh.
Here, I'll let you do the honors. It's already running.
All right. I was like, I don't see the floaty.
Yeah, I don't see you. Catch that
Pliers?
No, the measuring.
Oh.
You know what? Make sure I got him before I pull him out.
Yeah. Here, I got you on this.
We know he's a keeper, huh?
He keep it for sure. There's no doubt in my mind. Ooh. Oh yeah. Nice.
All right, let's check it out. Get that nice little zoom in on it. What you think?
I'm gonna say 16.
16? Dude,
Shh, what I tell you?
15 and a half,
15
dude.
and a half.
Ooh, that's pushing. He's a keeper, though.
That's good keeps. Got him?
Got a little one, little baby. Little baby. He pulled it twice real good.
Like it's stuck, huh?
Yeah, I think he's on it. It's giving it another taste.
Got him? Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Good one?
He got a little fight, but I don't think so. Not a keeper. Oh, a little chip. Oh, it's a little chip. Try to tear it up. Looks like I hooked him from the outside of his mouth. Oh, sorry. Slipping out the hat. Sorry about that. Come on. Let me get you out of here. Let me get you off this. So you can get out of here. Oh, there you go. All right. Let's roll.